What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to cover exactly what you need to successfully dropship on eBay. And two, we're going to just I'm going to show you another eBay dropshipper that successfully uses Amazon as a dropshipper, Amazon as a supplier. Because a lot of you guys are like, hey Mark, does eBay dropshipping work? Can we still use Amazon as a supplier? So I figured I'll go into my computer and show you guys, just jump around eBay, jump around Amazon, show you guys a little of what you need to do to get some information to confirm that eBay dropshipping still works and that you can still use Amazon as a supplier. Also, I will suggest you subscribe because I have a video coming out tomorrow showing you guys how to snipe these sellers using basically snipe these sellers to find top selling items to sell on your eBay account. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into my video. Okay guys, in order for you to get into eBay dropshipping, you need two things. You need one, an eBay store. And an eBay store, you have four options for eBay stores. You have the starter store, the basic store, the premium store, and the anchor store. For those of you who are just starting out, I suggest you start with the starter store. Once you hit 250 listings, then you go to the basic store. Now, I do not suggest that anyone tries to do eBay dropshipping without software. Those days are gone. That's a waste of time. So, you want to come to eBay. As you can see, this is a brand new store that I'm setting up because I'm going to be doing videos for you guys regularly. And you want to come to the starter store. The starter store gives you 250 listings, so you don't have to pay for them. When you want to upgrade, you upgrade to the basic store. That gives you 1,000 listings and that you don't have to pay for them either. And then you want to go to Amazon and you want to sign up for Amazon Prime. Why Amazon Prime? So we're doing one of two things. We're using Amazon as our supplier. And I know you're like, Mark, can we use Amazon as a supplier? Yes. People in Ecom Sniper and myself have been using Amazon as a supplier for years now. So you want to sign up for Amazon Prime. You don't want to drop ship any items that are not shipped to Amazon Prime. You want to ensure the items are shipped regularly. And what I want to do is I want to jump over to eBay really quickly, well, Amazon, and show you guys a couple things. So I searched for punching bag on Amazon today. And there are a number of punching bags. But what I was looking for is I was looking for a relatively cheap punching bag that I thought that would be good to drop ship on eBay. So I found this one. So it's a 70-inch heavy boxing bag, blah, 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 blah. I went over to eBay and I searched for a similar title. 70-inch boxing bag. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the same item, but at a price that I could drop ship and still make money. Now this is the same item and this person has sold 22 of them, but it's not at a price that I can still make money. Because as you can see on Amazon, this is $35.95. So if you scroll down, we can continue going, Da da da. And this item is the exact same item. Well, this one also comes with gloves, but it is the exact same punching bag. So let's see what this guy is selling. No, here it is. Heavy punching bag, free standing, so on, at $69.94. He has also sold this item once at $69.94. So there's definitely something that you could sell and dropship on eBay, and it is coming from Amazon. Now the purpose of me showing you this is simply to show that there are still thousands of people dropshipping on eBay from Amazon successfully. And as you continue to subscribe to the channel and come to my follow-up videos, I'll show you examples of many of these products that you too could add to your eBay store. If you wanted to go on your eBay store right now and add this product, I would take this exact same title, lower the price, and you have an item to dropship on the eBay store. So like, subscribe. Let me jump into my let me jump out to my computer so I could just talk to you guys about a couple of things. Guys, the purpose of me showing you those couple of things, this is a very beginner video. If you are a beginner, subscribe to the channel. You'll get follow-up videos on a daily basis showing you how to dropship on eBay. If you are not a beginner, stick through to the following videos. I suggest you like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. But the purpose of these videos is to give you guys a step-by-step on a daily basis how to dropship on eBay, whether you want to use software or whether you want to do it manually. Now, I do not suggest you do it manually. The time that would take there's a lot of software available out there that would save you a lot of time, including Ecom Sniper, Zeek Analytics, and I would suggest that you use software to save time. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to my upcoming videos.